Okay, it's my turn. So today we're going to have vanilla cream pudding.
Sounds delicious.
It's vanilla pudding, and it's with chia. I love chia. I love the consistency, and it's healthy, right?
It's totally healthy. Omega, mainly 3, but it has some 6. High in protein, nutrition.
And what does that do for me?
It's going to really make you healthy. Well, women, they need the omega-3 fatty acids.
Women.
Women especially.
Why?
Well, hormonally it helps them balance
How?
their hormones.
How come?
Just because.
Okay.
It's just, on a need-to-know basis. If I
Yes.
told you I'd have to kill you, I don't want to kill you.
Again. Oh, I hate those moments.
Yeah.
Anyway, listen, when you make pudding with chia, I found something really fascinating. In some recipes, the chia sits, maybe you guys know the answer to this and you can enlighten me, but the chia will set up firm with just a little bit of chia. And other recipes that I do, it requires more chia for a thicker consistency. I don't really care. I love chia, so if I have to add a little bit more to get the consistency I want, I'm all good.
Basically, she's saying it expands and it thickens in a thumbnail sketch.
That wasn't what I was saying.
I had to summarize what you were saying.
Some chia, I find, does a better job at thickening than other chia.
Like a chia pet. All right. Should we show them how to make it?
No, let's taste it first.
I did.
Oh, how was it?
It's great.
You like it?
It's really good.
I didn't taste it yet.
You should try it.
Okay. Now, I sweeten these chia puddings with stevia sweetener. This one, I have a vanilla cream stevia. Love it.
It's pretty good.
It's really good. I have a chocolate one that you're going to see. Chocolate stevia. It's great. You can use plain, but I love it.
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome chia sauce. We're rambling, so we're going to...
We?
Ouch.
When we mean we mean her. All right, let's show them how to make it.
Okay.
Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.